After unboxing, I already did some jobs. As example, assembling. There were wheels that were necessary to assemble, and I filled it up with oil. There was one interesting moment that in-halt is about 20 liters of the fresh oil. I filled up about approximately 18 liters, and it already started to leak. So that means that Chinese 20 liters is a little bit less than European 20 liters, but okay, I spent some time while I was collecting all the oil from the floor. Now everything's clean and I can continue my job. Now I need to find a way how to connect this device to the car. I got some adapters, but I don't know are they good enough or not. Today's patient for this job is this E92 BMW. It came to my workshop for transmission repair, but before repair, I want to test this device and flush transmission. And when I will repair transmission, I will see, and I will also show you, is transmission flushing a scam or it works really? Because I will see, is everything clean inside or there will be still dirt inside the transmission. So let's go. Okay, first I guess I need to remove the old oil. Let's drain it and let's check it out what color it is. Okay, it's looking black, but it's actually dark brown, so it's normal for this transmission. Now I need to unscrew the transmission oil cooler lines to get an access. I need to get transmission input line, and then I will connect the machine to the transmission. I will fill in fresh oil, and via transmission cooler, via cooler lines, I will take out old oil until the color in the both lines will be the same, so it will mean that oil is changed. So first I need to remove them. There will also some oil come out. At this moment transmission is empty, not fully empty, but I drained something about, I don't know, 3-4 liters, maybe more. Now I will fill in first about 3 liters, and then it will be necessary to start the car. So let's remove this line. There is also some oil coming out. This is why it was necessary to get oil drain here and let it drain for a little bit. Now I have some adapters here, and let's see, are they suitable? This one can be installed here, so this will be an output, and now I need to install something also there inside. Now you can see the output oil is also clean, so the transmission is cleaned, the fluid change and the transmission flushing is done. I can proceed to disassembling this transmission. It took about 30 liters of oil to fully clean this transmission.